Business is the engine that keeps the world turning. It's the source of products, livelihoods, and opportunities. Hi, I'm Terry Bradshaw. Whether your focus is B2B or B2C, join me as we explore some of today's leading enterprises. Environmental protection is important now and for future generations. Let's take a look at some smart solutions to the big environmental problems of our time.
Processing poultry creates a great deal of wastewater, known as sludge. This sludge contains valuable animal fat, protein, and other nutrients that can be sold to mill manufacturers. However, the more the sludge deteriorates, the less animal fat and protein nutrients, and the more free fatty acids there are. High concentrations of free fatty acids can make it difficult for rendering plants to sell the lucrative byproducts, also known as secondary product nutrients, or SPN.
One of the poultry industry's greatest challenge is a way to handle sludge. Sludge all too often goes to the landfill, filling the earth and essentially throwing away a secondary product nutrient, a profitable byproduct for the poultry industry.
Universal Maintenance has long had a reputation for providing a lock and key service to manufacturing plants. Everything from engineering to design, fabrication, installation, and maintenance. But in recent years, the company has turned its focus towards the growing poultry industry after CEO Edward Hill discovered a solution to the age-old problem of SPN.
As a maintenance contractor, I've heard plant managers complain about the cost of sludge disposal. So I started looking at the sludge and I said, we ought to be able to do something about this. So the landfills started becoming full and it became a real problem. So I've got a lot of theories. We put it together. I drug out an old turkey cooker and we started messing around with ideas, and it led to our patent.
Initially, Ed found that the challenge with SPN is that it's too solid sensitive to break apart and dewater. The only other way was to use a belt press or gravity system, but the end result was prone to pathogens and free fatty acid growth. This created a major headache for management, who had to deal with the waste and plant odor.
In research, we started out, we seen that they were using a belt press and a frat tank, both in which they gave them a dirty water and just a little drier product to landfill. So we put together our system, which indeed cracks the SPN, which gives cleaner water plus a profitable product.
Hill's Super SPN system is able to crack animal fat, protein, and solids from the water without shearing. By pasteurizing the animal byproduct, the system stops free fatty acid growth, decreases odor in the plant, and maintains high-quality product.
The benefits of the Super SPN system is it's eco-friendly and turns waste into dollars. The proof is in the pudding. We take a portable unit to interested customers and demonstrate the system on site.
An added benefit of the Super SPN system is that it dewaters sludge for plants.
Although we primarily focus on the poultry industry, the faculty from Georgia Tech and the faculty from the University of Georgia has done their investigation and informed us that this system will be a benefit to the pork, to the beef, and also to the fish industry. It is changing the way folks are looking at their waste.
Fieldale Farms piloted the Super SPN system here in their Cornelia, Georgia poultry plant last year.
The Super SPN system has helped us greatly. At one time, we were shipping out roughly about 30 tanker loads a week of our waste product that went straight to landfill. So as you can imagine, there's transportation fees and landfill fees that were associated with that. But with the Super SPN system, we've reduced that down to roughly about 8 or 9 loads a week. Plus Universal Maintenance come in and helped us make changes into our wastewater process system that has resulted in us sending out 6 or 7 loads a week that turn a profit.
The Super SPN system will change this industry. The system concentrates the fats and the proteins that goes to the rendering. They no longer have to fool with the wastewater that we've cracked and eliminated. It changes from the cost of trucking. The trucking cost is unbelievable. Fuel cost, it's cut that by 50%. The landfill should be no more. So the Super SPN system will be a game changer.